Microfilm and microfiche are photographic reproductions of materials, and these formats enable the storage of materials in a very compact way. Newspapers, journals, primary source collections, and other documents are often found on microfilm or microfiche, which can then be read on microform machines. While more and more newspapers and other materials are being digitized and made available online, there are still many resources that are only available in microform. Your librarian can help you with your research that may involve using microforms. You can also ask for help at one of the library's information desks. The microforms are located at multiple libraries, on the 3rd floor of the main library and on the 1st floor of the Science Engineering Library, and in the Fine Arts Library and Special Collections. They're held in large filing cabinets. Microfilms are reels stored in boxes, and microfiche are flat and stored in envelopes. To find the exact location, including the microfilm or microfiche call number, check the library catalog.
To load a microfilm roll on a microfilm machine, first thing it has to do is go over the peg right on the back here. It has a square hole, and you want to go all the way to the back, which has a square peg. And you just slide it in with the film going over the top and push it all the way back. Next, you push the green button to open up the lid, and then you take the film and you slide it down the green chute till it's under the glass. Close the lid, hit the load button, and you're good to go. And you have forward and reverse. The farther you turn it, the faster it goes. It has forward and back or side to side depending on the orientation of the film. And you have a rotate button that can spin it all the way around. Focus and zoom. The zoom is the blue one, and the focus is the brown dial. You'll need an Autotron box to do scanning or printing if you don't have a CAT card. You get these from the Express Document Center, and you trade it for an ID. And they go with the arrow facing away from you into the box. When you're doing a print or a scan, you want to make sure the image you're looking at fills up this entire box right there. That is a portrait 8.5 by 11 size configuration for this machine. And once you're ready to go, you can just hit the start button, and that will cause it to print out of the printer. To load microfiche into the machine, you pull this handle out and slide it over. It switches into fiche mode, and then you place the fiche under the top glass and push it forward. And now it is ready for you to see. You can use the rotation button or dial to orient it correctly, zooming with the blue dial and focusing with the brown one. And you can also use this to move it up and down a little bit, but what you're really going to do is move around the glass tray and set it to where you want it to be. Whatever's in the box will be 8.5 by 11 portrait, and that's what will print when you hit the start button.